I'm Jeanette Lane, and I'm here with Papercraft Essentials editor Ria Clare.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, good. I'm excited to talk about the latest issue of Papercraft Essentials, which is issue 164. I feel like there's so much in this issue.
I'm so excited about this issue. This is our first Christmas issue of 2018. We've got a massive Christmas gift for you. It is the Christmas Memories 18-piece stamp set and 8 dies. There's also some extra sentiment downloads, so you've got everything you need to make lovely Christmas cards.
And I love that the stamp set is packed full of sentiments and gorgeous design elements. Beautiful.
Yeah. So on page 15, we have Sarah Jane Smallwood-Smith's cards using your Christmas Memories gift. They are super cute and perfect for men or women. She has used the stamps and the dies, so you've got lots of inspiration and just really nice.
Yeah, I really love the color palette.
Yes, it's not traditional Christmas, being red and blue, but it still looks really festive.
Yes.
And then also on page 80, we have Vanessa Hodgson's designs. They are really bright and vibrant, and there's some lovely colouring. There's also a step-by-step guide on how to create a stamped scene using masks, so don't miss that. That's on page 83. And don't forget to download your digital sentiments from our blog, papercraftmagazines.com. Also, if you wanted to use your Christmas Memories gift for something a little bit different, Jane Roy has made some female birthday and all occasion cards on page 62. She's used your stamps and sentiment downloads, and they are really pretty and perfect for all occasions.
Can I show you what I made with the gift? Yeah, okay, I'm like nervous. You're the editor, like, okay, let me pull it out. So I will have a video tutorial sharing this, but I made a box pop-up card.
That's so pretty.
Using all the stamps, and I did some alcohol marker coloring, so.
That is really nice. I really like it.
Yes, it's got Ria's stamp of approval. And what's your favorite feature, or your personal favorite feature of the month?
I think my favourite feature is on page 91, and it's Sarah Gray's cards. They are autumnal themed, and they are using the Creative Stamps watercolour collection. They are really pretty, perfect for nature lovers, anybody outdoorsy. There's designs for men or women. They really show off the watercolour animals and watercolour foliage stamp sets really well, and there is also a 10% discount off the entire Creative Stamps watercolour collection at CraftStash.
That's actually one of some of my favorite stamp sets, and when I made projects with them, I did a summer theme.
Okay.
Not even thinking that you could use it for autumn. Like,
well, I thought it would be a good thing to do for this time of year. We're going into autumn, and just a nice alternative to Christmas cards.
Nice.
So every issue we have 2 techniques. We have a beginner's guide and a masterclass. This issue, the beginner's guide, is on shape stamping, and it's by Sally Holmes, and she demonstrates how to use the smaller stamps in your stash to create large shapes such as butterflies, little trees, shoes, love hearts, things like that. And they're really pretty, and they're perfect for female birthday and all occasion cards. And I think depending on the stamps that you have in your stash, for masculine cards or cards for children as well. And there's also a step-by-step guide so that you can try the technique yourself. And there is even a bonus card on our blog that is a Christmas design, so you can get some inspiration from that.
I love how delicate and soft and feminine they are.
They're really, really pretty. I really like them.
And you also have some really exciting news to share with us, right?
We do. Issue 164 is the launch of our Papercraft Magazine's Designer of the Year competition. We run this competition across all of our Papercraft magazines every year, and it is the opportunity for 4 of you to win over £14,000 worth of prizes. There is also a chance to get a place on our design team. If you turn to page 36, you can find out how to enter and more about the prizes, and you can also read interviews from 2 of last year's winners, Sarah Gray and Sandy Norton.
Good luck to everyone entering.
Yes, good luck. So if you subscribe to Papercraft Essentials this issue, you will receive a free Cuddly Characters die bundle. It is our biggest subscription gift yet, with over 80 dies. They are absolutely adorable. There's little angels, Father Christmas, a snowman, a little elf. There's so many, and
barely fit them on the page.
Yeah, they hardly fit on the page. We had to squeeze them all in. But they are so cute and definitely worth subscribing.
Now, if you're not quite ready to commit to a subscription, which is completely okay, you can still grab the individual issue, which is issue 164, at a few places, and you can get that at craftstash.co.uk, moremags.com.
And you can get it from any large supermarket or craft retailer and WH Smith.
Thank you so much, Ria, for stopping by and having a chat about issue 164.
You're welcome.
It was really exciting. Really great issue.
Yes, I'm excited about this issue.
And we'll see you next time real soon.
We will. Bye.
Bye.